Hello, welcome to another video of database management system. Specifically in this video we'll talk about character set. Okay, so without wasting time, let's start. In each and every programming language, the character set actually refers to an alphabet, digit or a special symbol. For example, alphabet A to Z, small letter or capital letter, digits from 0 to 9, a special symbol like tilde, hash, percentile, to the power, bracket, so all the white spaces, so all these are character sets in a programming language. But if we'll talk about the character set in database context of database management, a character set refers to the set of characters as well and the symbols that can be stored and manipulated within that database. So it defines the encoding scheme used to represent and store the character data. So character data are important because they determine how data is stored and retrieved, as well as especially when dealing with multilingual or non-ASCII characters. So if you know about any programming language, then you must know about what is the ASCII. So each and every character represents an integer value. So that is actually the ASCII value of a character. So you already know that. So for different language, so if you want to store some characters in different language, then the character encoding system will be different. If that will be present in different languages, then that also present on a different character encoding system. So that's why character sets are very important to determine how the data is stored in the memory location, because if the character set will change, then the size of that character may vary, as well as how you are retrieving those characters from the database columns or specific cell. That also may be different approach in different character set, especially when you dealing with the multi-language or multilingual or non-ASCII character. Different character sets supports different set of characters, and they also have different storage requirement and storing rules. I want to give one example, then it will be easier for you. For example, if you are using the ASCII character system, then you will not be able to store the emojis in the database field. But if you use UTF-8 MB4, then it will be possible to store emojis in the database. Now let's talk about few common character sets which actually popularly known by all developers and programmers. The first one is the ASCII, the second one is UTF-8, the third one is UTF-16, the fourth one is ISO 88591 Latin 1, UTF-32 is there. So these are all common character sets. If we'll talk about the ASCII, this one is the standard code for information interchange. The full form is American Standard Code for Information Interchange. So it includes characters for English letters, number, punctuation marks and control characters. In case of UTF-8, this is the Unicode transformation format. This is actually 8-bit. It is variable with wide character encoding that can represent every character in the Unicode character set. It widely used for its compatibility with ASCII and its ability to represent most languages and symbol. In case of UTF-16, this is also Unicode transformation format, but this is based on 16-bit. So it uses 16-bit to represent a character. So it allowing for a large range of characters that than the UTF-8. It's commonly used in systems requiring a fixed width encoding. So in case of ISO 8859 Latin, so in that case the character encoding is standard for Western European languages. So it includes characters for English, French, Spanish and other languages as well. In case of UTF-32, it's also Unicode transformation format, but it uses 32-bit. It uses 32-bit to represent characters and allowing for an even larger range of the character than UTF-8. It's less common than UTF-8 and 16 due to its larger storage requirement. So normally in our case we use UTF-8, and if you are working with a wide range of characters then you can use UTF-16. So UTF-32 is commonly uncommon in each cases. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope it was informative for you. When you are creating the database, so that time you have to specify the character set. It's best practice to specify the characteristics or the character sets, as well as whenever you are creating any column, that time you can also define, as well as when you are creating any database, at that point of time you should mention the which character set you want to use. Okay, and when you are creating table, that time also you need to say that which character set you are going to use in your table, as well as for the column level you can also specify the character set as well. Okay, so that means when creating a database you can specify the character set to be used for storing the text data. Choosing the appropriate character set is important to ensure that your database can store and handle the type of characters and languages you need to support. It affects how the data is stored and retrieved from the database. So it's very much crucial. Once you created the table, you can change the character set, but it may affect in a different way. That means if you are making it to different character set, there can be you may lose some characters if that character is not present on that actually character set representation. Okay, so that you have to remember. So based on your choice and what you want to do, you have to be specific for your database character set. Otherwise, in later point of your time, if you want to change the language of the column or the data you are storing, that time you may get some pain over there. Okay, so that's why wisely choose the character set for your database, for your table and the column. Okay, so thanks for watching the video. In the next video we'll talk about how you can use the character sets to create table, to create a database, or to create a column. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.